I'm Chef Belinda and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make crab cakes, and then we're going to freeze them so you'll have them ready for future use. So to start making our crab cakes, we're going to saute our vegetables. To my saute pan, I've added a tablespoon of butter. That's going to melt, and then we're going to saute our scallions or green onions, our bell peppers, and today I'm using green and orange, and our minced garlic. Okay, now that our butter is melted, we're going to add our vegetables. The scallions, the bell peppers. We're just gonna let these saute and soften a little, and then we'll add our garlic. The reason we don't add our garlic up front is that we don't want it to brown. We just want it to impart its flavor into the vegetables, but we don't want to cook the garlic for too long. Now our onions and our bell peppers have sauteed a little bit. They're getting soft, so now I'll add the minced garlic and just let this cook for just 1 minute. So this is ready. We're going to take it off of the fire and just let that cool a bit. In fact, we'll put it into a bowl, and that'll help it cool a little faster because the pan is still hot. So now we're going to mix our crab cakes. In this large bowl, I have a ½ pound of lump crab meat. We're going to add breadcrumbs, some chopped flat leaf parsley, 1 egg, and some seafood seasoning. Mix that up slightly. Then we're going to add back in our sauteed vegetables. And here I have seasoned breadcrumbs. And to form these crab cakes, the thing that I do that makes it a lot easier, because when you make things like crab cakes or patties, meatballs, cupcakes or things like that, you want them even in size. So this is my secret weapon, a scoop. I'm gonna take a scoop of the crab meat, and with clean hands, we're gonna form our patties. And again, the reason we use the scoop is so that they're even in size. And then we're going to put them into our breadcrumbs. Make sure they're covered on all sides. And then we're going to put them onto, I'm using just a shallow pan lined with some parchment paper. So the next time you buy something like crab meat or any other type of meat where you're making little patties or small cakes like this, and you don't use it all the first time, you can make a second batch and then freeze it. And then the next time you're wanting these, you just take them out of the freezer and cook them. So there's our crab cakes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, put it in the freezer for about 2 hours until they harden, and then I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag and date them. Always put the name of what it is in the bag and date it, and they're ready for the next time.